Have you ever felt like trust in your relationship is shattered beyond repair? But what if I told you that trust can be rebuilt? Rebuilding trust after betrayal feels overwhelming, but it is possible with the proper steps. In this video, I will walk you through proven steps to rebuild trust, from acknowledging the hurts to mastering apology techniques and practicing open, honest communication. You will also learn how to be consistent and reliable, seek professional support when needed, and most importantly, how to forgive. This video is for you if you are struggling with trust issues in your relationship, whether due to infidelity, dishonesty, or unmet expectations. My name is Maryann BTM, and I'm here to guide you through this journey with expert relationship advice. Stay with me until the end, because I will also share the most significant mistakes couples make when trying to rebuild trust and how to avoid them. Let's get started. Trust is the foundation of any strong marriage. However, it's important to remember that trust can be tested in various ways, whether through infidelity, dishonesty, or unmet expectations. The road to rebuilding it may feel daunting, yes, but it's a journey many couples have successfully navigated. Here, I'm going to be sharing with you understanding trust and how it breaks. Trust in marriage is built over time through consistent actions, honesty, and emotional safety. When one partner betrays the trust, it can cause deep emotional wounds, leading to feelings of hurt, anger, and insecurity. Here are some common ways trust is broken. First, infidelity. Emotional or physical affairs can deeply damage trust. Second, lies and deception. Repeated dishonesty, even about small matters, erodes faith in a partner. And the third, broken promises. Failing to follow through on commitment weakens trust. And fourth, financial secrets. Hiding debts or making major financial decisions without consulting your spouse is a betrayal. While breaking trust happens in different ways, rebuilding it follows a similar path of healing and restoration. Which trust issues is the hardest to overcome? I have options here. First, infidelity. Second, lies, broken promises, and financial secrets. Let's know in the comments below. And here I'm going to be sharing with you steps to rebuilding trust in your marriage. First is to acknowledge the hurts and take responsibility. The first step in rebuilding trust is recognizing the pain caused. The partner who broke the trust must take full responsibility without making excuses or shifting blame. Here, I'm going to be sharing with you apology techniques you need. First is offering a sincere, heartfelt apology. Not this simple, "I'm sorry." That's not an apology. Second, acknowledging the impacts of your actions on your spouse. Third, being willing to listen without getting defensive. A genuine apology goes beyond saying I'm sorry. It should reflect an understanding of the hurt caused and a commitment to make things right. Have you ever struggled with trust issues in your relationship? What was the most challenging part for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply every comment. Then the second is allow space for healing. Healing takes time, and both partners need to be patient. The hurt partner may need space to process their emotions before they can rebuild trust. During this phase, it is crucial to know that first, avoid pressuring the hurt partner to forgive immediately. That hurts the partner more. So you have to learn to avoid pressuring them to forgive you immediately. Second, show empathy and understanding of their pain. And third, reassure them with consistent and supportive actions. Healing is not straight and setbacks may occur. However, a commitment to moving forward together is key. If you are struggling with trust, type "I'm ready to heal" in the comments, and let's support each other on this journey. The third I'm sharing with you is open, honest communication. Trust thrives on transparency. Couples must cultivate a safe space for open and honest communication or conversations. Open, honest communication can include: first, expressing emotions and concerns without fearing judgments. Second, answering questions truthfully, even if they are uncomfortable. Third, keeping lines of communication open for continuous reassurance. Regular check-ins to discuss progress and feelings without conflict may be helpful. If this resonates with you, tap the like button. It helps me create more content like this for you. And that takes me to the fourth step here. Be consistent and reliable. Actions speak louder than words. Trust is built through consistent, trustworthy behavior over time. However, I'm going to be sharing with you how to be consistent. First is to following through promises. Whatsoever promise you made, make sure you fulfill that promise. No matter how small, make sure that promise is fulfilled. Second, being accountable for actions and decisions. And third, avoid any behavior that resembles past betrayals. The more a partner demonstrates reliability and honesty, the stronger the foundation of trust becomes. And that takes me to the fifth step on your rebuilding trust. Rebuild emotional and physical intimacy. A lack of trust can create emotional and physical distance. Rebuilding intimacy is a gradual process that involves first spending quality time together to reconnect emotionally. Second, engaging in activities that fosters closeness, such as date nights or shared hobbies. And third, being patient with physical intimacy, as it may take time for the hurt partner to feel safe again. Small gestures like holding hands, writing love notes, or simply being present can help restore connection. If you have been on this journey before, what helped you the most? Share your experiences below. And that takes me to the sixth step here is 6 professional support. Rebuilding trust can be complex, and couples may benefit from the guidance of a marriage counselor or relationship coach. A professional can first provide tools and techniques for effective communication, and second, offer a neutral space for both partners to express their feelings. Third, help navigate deep-seated issues that contribute to the trust breakdown. Seeking help is not a sign of failure. It's a proactive step towards a healthier marriage. So that takes me to the final one I have for you: forgiveness. Forgiveness is essential for rebuilding trust, but it is a process that happens over time. The biggest mistake couples make when trying to rebuild trust is not forgiving. You have to learn how to avoid this pitfall. Heal yourself and enjoy the life and love given to you by God. The hurt partner should work towards releasing sentiments, while the offending partner should continue to show growth and commitment. Because I've come across partners who chose not to forgive no matter what. Here are ways on how to forgive your partner. First is recognizing that forgiveness is for personal healing, not just for the relationship. It's for you. So, that said, second is letting go of the past and building a better future together. And third is practicing gratitude for the positive aspects of the relationship. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, because some people will tell you, I thought you said you are forgiven. Forgiving is different from forgetting, but they are not the same. But choosing to go forward with a renowned sense of commitment and understanding. Which of these steps do you think is the most challenging? Let me know in the comments below. Here comes a little clip of my personal story about broken trust in my own relationship. In my own case, it was broken promises. There come a day when I found out that my husband was sending someone money secretly without my knowledge. So I had to confront him about that. Then he promised it wouldn't happen again. But as usual, it happened again. Now I'm feeling terrible about the whole thing. So I called and asked why he had to break the promise he made to me. I also asked him, are you indebted to this person? Did you promise the person anything? I asked all these questions to know why he broke the promise he made. That was when he had to open up and told me that he felt for the person because of their condition. Now, as much as he had broken the promise, the best thing for me to do for myself was to forgive him, because when I do that, I'm healing myself, and I always practice gratitude in all I do. So this has been a game changer for me. Rebuilding trust in a marriage isn't easy, but it is possible. Couples can heal and create a stronger, more loving relationship with open, honest communication, consistency, and forgiveness. But trust isn't the only challenge in a marriage. Money fights can also break a relationship. Watch my next video on how to budget as a couple and avoid money conflicts. Start building a more financially secure and stress-free marriage. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I post weekly tips to help you build a strong relationship. What's the biggest challenge you have faced in rebuilding trust? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts and support you on this journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the following video. Bye.
Silent love is calling faith to shadow me through your heart.